Hello friends, welcome again. Uh, One more feature I would like to show inside the inventory, which is recently launched with version 16 of Odoo. When you enable batch transfer, this option will be made available inside your operation types. And that is under your receipt, internal transfer or delivery orders or everything. You will find one option, batch transfer and creation of automatic batch. So here I have taken two warehouses. In that I am going to show you the batch automation of batch creation on the basis of destination location, that is one, under my warehouse, this Odoo tutorial warehouse, and second is warehouse 2 where I have made by contact, and during my receipt operation only I would like to create batch transfers. Okay, so here I have already made some of the POs. In the POs, you can see I have already made purchase of COM1, which is going to warehouse 2. Then I have Pro1, which is going to warehouse 2. The vendors are different, you can see. And then this also again warehouse 2, and this again going to warehouse 2. Okay. Now if I'm going to create a new item purchase where I'm going to take it into this receipt operation, and my product is COM2, I confirm the order, and then I will see the batch transfer. So inside inventory, you will find batch transfer option. So this too has been prepared for batch transfers. And you can see, I will take you again to my policy of receipt. So in operation types, when Odoo tutorial is the warehouse, it is grouping by destination location. Okay. And when I am using this warehouse 2, it is grouping by contact, means vendor. Okay. So in warehouse 2, if I'm going to see all the batch transfer available, which is made by vendor. So this in 2 and 3, which is part of 11 and 12 number of documents. If I go and see purchase order belongs to 11 and 12 to the same vendor, you can see. And then another batch 4, which is again 10 and 13. So let's see, 10 belongs to RM vendor 1 and 13 belongs to RM vendor 1. Okay, so this is how I have created, and system has automatically generated this batch transfer for us. Now going on to second type of policy in another warehouse. In my this Odoo tutorial receipt, I have made destination location. Okay. So whenever I am selecting Odoo tutorials as a receipt location and I am generating any item. So first I am generating for COM1 from RM vendor 1, confirming the order. Then I am generating another order for RM vendor 2, COM2, deliver to the main warehouse only. Then I am going to again different vendor, vendor 2, another part, row 2, confirm order. Now if I am going into my batch transfer, I can see another batch which is belonging to Odoo tutorials, and all these items order number belongs to 14, 15, 16, 17 comes under this batch only. So now let's see what are order number 13, 14, 15, 16. So yes, 13, then 14, 15 and 16. So 13 coming to this number, so 14, 15 and 16, which is COM2, which is coming to Odoo tutorials. So when I'm going here, order number 14, 15, 16 and 17. So order number 14 comes to my Odoo tutorial warehouse. Order 15 again, Odoo tutorial warehouse, and 16 and 17 also. Okay, so all four orders are coming to my this warehouse only. So whenever I selected group by destination location, means this Odoo tutorial received, it clubbed all my operations under this. So automatic batch now allows you to either club by contact, either club by destination location. So benefit of clubbing by contact, your vendor, you have made multiple POs to your vendor, and now vendor is sending you all the goods. If you group by here the vendor, you can see group by vendor, and then group by warehouse also. Warehouse option is not available here. Okay, in Odoo. Okay, but yeah. So group by vendor, then I can clearly see whenever my vendor is same, and in my receipt operation, if I have given that particular, Odoo has automatically club group by vendor, and I can simply confirm and then receive my whole quantity once. So that's the speed up entire of your trading business transactions when you use this group by automation, and that will help you to receive multiple quantity from multiple vendor, or to single warehouse, and from multiple vendor it can automatically club this, and then you can assign the responsible, set whatever is the quantity is coming, and then validate it. So all your purchase orders are now fully received, and it is in the status of waiting bill. Okay, so you can see fully received now. So this is the advantage of batch grouping you can use with this automation. I am coming back again to my operation types, where you find receipt and delivery, and everywhere you will find the same option. And then when you enable this, you will be able to group the batch to ease your warehouse operations automatically without interrupting your warehouse manager. And that can create a batch, and warehouse manager can only confirm the batch, whatever it is, either receive or either delivery. Hope this feature will help the warehouse operations to automate using the creation of batch by contact or by location and by country also. I haven't shown by country, but yeah, in my next video somewhere I will show you how it will be useful specifically in the delivery operations. Thank you very much.